Hi there. Here is a 3-point turn driving test lesson. So the examiner says, turn the car around here. He doesn't have to say do a 3-point turn. So he says, turn the car around. Immediately you put the right signal on, check the mirror and the right shoulder, get close to the curb. Well, there's no curb, so it's close to the side of the road as possible. This is a narrow road. Complete stop. Signal to the left, get all the turns in to the left, check the mirror and everywhere, and then you go as far as possible on the other side. Put to reverse, get all the turns in to the right, check all around like crazy. Once you have sufficient room, you stop, put to drive, get all the turns in, look to the right, and you're gone. And that's it. That's how simple it is as far as doing a 3-point turn. And usually on a driving test, you have to do it. Very seldom will you go for a driving test and not do a 3-point turn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again.